Hi, this is Technical Channel Online. Today I show you how to set up a Windows 10 in your laptop or desktop, and it's a easy process. So I am trying to set up Windows 10 in my laptop. You need a bootable pen drive. So I arrange a pen drive as like this. You can choose any pen drive, minimum 8 GB or above. So already I am bootable it in this pen drive. Let's check it. I insert the pen drive in laptop. So I insert the pen drive in my laptop. Let's check it. It's bootable or not. I'm going to computer properties. You can see. Accept the license term. Then next, and the custom installation. So this is the main important part. So here is show 129.6 GB. Basically this is the C drive, and 60 MB, 100 MB and 490 MB is the reserve file of the Windows. Going to 129 GB C drive and format this. Then delete. Then 100 MB, just press delete. Then 60 MB, delete. Now 498 MB, 490 8 MB delete. I have unallocated space 130 GB. This is the C drive. So I am going to install Windows 10 Pro in this drive. So select and next. Now Windows is copying file from the pen drive 100%. After complete copying file, installing feature, installing update and finishing up, then restart the computer automatically. When the computer is restarted, you remove the pen drive from the USB cable. So now it's restarting and I am remove the pen drive from my computer. So it's restart. So it's start.
I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
And the Cortana is
a little sign in here, protect your Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, now type a password for your account.
So I skip this password. I will later set it. So next.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead
This is the
and
setting of Microsoft
select
recommends.
accept when you're ready.
Accept.
Hey, look, that's me,
And this
Cortana.
Cortana.
And I have permission to use the info ID
You can
to do
choose
my
not
best
now
work.
or accept. I accept.
Almost done now. We
All
just
is
need
done.
to get a few more things polished up for you, and Windows will be all yours. Looking forward to helping out.
Just take a time or few minutes to finish your last stage. So this is the Windows of desktop version, Windows 10 Pro. So in this video I am trying to show you how to set up a Windows 10 in your laptop or desktop, step by step, full process.